Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, for example this one. Now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and tap on add picture. So here we've got specific sections from which we can choose the photo from. So first of all, the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you'd like to edit, you can always check the illustrations right here, and probably you will find the photo which will resemble the specific person. Google Photos, where you've got backed up photos, of course, and device photos with the camera option, so you can open the camera app immediately, or you can enter the gallery and choose something from previously taken photos. So I'll choose this option. Now let me find the photo and tap on it. And right now in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and from now on this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list, for example, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.